Hi there, welcome. Today's recipe is farfalle al gorgonzola. Okay? First thing what we are going to do, I've got a pot in here full of hot water. We're going to turn that on and I'm gonna add some salt. So we can cook the pasta in this pot. For the ratio, the amount of salt to water and water to cooking pasta, you will find all the details below this video. Now, what we are going to do, I've got another pot in here. We're gonna drop in the cream and we're gonna turn that on a medium to high heat. So now what we are going to do, we're going to cut this cheese into pieces and then we drop the cheese in there so we can melt the cheese with the cream. As you can see, the water is boiling. Now, what we're going to do, we're going to drop in the pasta in there and I'm gonna put the lid back on so the water will come quickly back to the boil, and then we remove the lid and we cook the pasta. Cook the pasta according to the packet instruction, but I always leave 3 minutes less because we love our pasta al dente. So now what we're going to do, in this pot I'm going to drop a pinch of sugar with the cream and cheese and we are going to mix this gently so all the cheese will melt. In the meantime, what I'm gonna do, I have some sage in here. I'm gonna pick up a couple of sage and I'm gonna chop the sage and I'm gonna drop it with the sauce. So basically, this plate is 4 ingredients pasta, basically. That's how easy it is. As soon as we've got the cheese melted, we can turn off the sauce and we wait for the pasta to cook and then we can serve. Now, as you can see, the water is boiling. Look, we can remove the lid and we can give a nice stir to the pasta. And we're going to let it cook for, mine is roughly 8 minutes. I'm going to leave it. So the cheese is all melted there. We can turn this off now. And as soon as the pasta will be ready, we can serve with the garnish of the sage. But before that, I would like to remind you that all the ingredients and the method are below this video, or otherwise do log on our website robandjays.com, where there you can find much more recipes, from pasta, like you see, meat, fish, poultry as well, and even we've got a lot of pastries as well, sweet pastry, short crust pastry, and eclairs as well. So please have a look in there and pick up any recipes which you like as well. And please do share our work so other families will benefit. As you can see, to produce 4 ingredients pasta less than 10 minutes. That's how easy it is. So no need of particular skills or any. A little bit of planning goes all the way. Thank you for that. So now when we're going to come back, we're going to drain the pasta, but we will not touch the pasta with water or any oil. And then we pick up a portion and we will mix it with the sauce and we will serve. So now, after the pasta is cooked, we're going to turn off the heat and we're going to drain the pasta. But we're going to put it into this baking tray. We do not touch the pasta with water or any oil because we need the sauce to stick with the pasta. So now what we're going to do is, I've got a frying pan in here. I'm going to turn that on. I'm going to pick up a portion and some sauce, and I'm going to heat a portion of sauce and pasta. There you go. And we mix the pasta with the sauce, and basically we can serve it. That's enough. We can serve the beautiful pasta with some sage as well. Beautiful. There you go. We need that sauce to stick with the pasta. and we can serve. How quick and easy this beautiful plate is. And you can put some sage leaves as a garnish if you like. There you go. Farfalle al gorgonzola. For more video recipes, please click the bottom right hand corner to subscribe to our YouTube channel to receive more recipe ideas. And thank you very much for watching and have a good day. Bye now. Bye bye.